Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the LG V40 ThinQ. This case is made by Ringke. We're going to take a look at it. Let me show you where you get it from. You can get it from Amazon. It's the Ringke Fusion, compatible with the V40 case. Clear, upgraded, transparent PC back, TPU bumper, drop defense, raised bezels, scratch protection, natural form cover for the LG V40 ThinQ 2018, smoke black version. $10.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. There's some pictures of it right there, what it looks like on the device. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out of the wrapper. Now you see Ringke normally has these plastic wrappers, eco package. Not much there. Got some information about the device right there, military standard drop. Let's go ahead and peel this off, pull this out. Now, and they got some thank you cards and stuff like that. Tells you how to put the case on. It's got a screen protector, which that's good. They always do that every now and then. That's pretty nice. Ringke is a good case making company. Pull this out. Now, it's got an insert in the back right now. I'll pull that out, but the cases that they make are pretty similar across different devices. You got the TPU size. It's kind of firm, but it's still TPU. You can see that. Opening for the speaker, charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack. That's a mic speaker right there. You got a lanyard hole right there. Your assistant button, that's new to the V series. And you got your volume up and down rocker right there. Corners are bolstered, but it's integrated pretty nicely. You got a smooth insert for the fingerprint sensor. Camera area right there, not too thin, not too thick, but not too thin as well. It's going to cover the camera. And you got these raised bumps right here that's going to protect the back from hitting the surface, which will help the camera as well. Let's see. You got some Ringke branding right there. Power button. It's pretty smooth. No raised edges there. We're going to go ahead and pull this plastic off, and we're going to put it inside the device. I'll put the device inside and see what it looks like. We got the V40 right here. We're going to go ahead and put this inside. Put the bottom in first. And we slide the top in. Kind of tight. Nice and tight fit. I like that. But it fits really nice, as you can see. Got a nice fit to it. Got some watermark right there. You see that already. Hopefully that goes away. I don't like that. They should have had a dark pattern inside there, but they got a watermark right there. Not a good thing. Hopefully that goes away. But the camera is protected. As you can see, it's pretty flat. That's one thing they did with the V series this time. The camera's pretty flat. And the fingerprint sensor right there, you can get to it no problem. But you got this bump area right here that's going to help with the back end also. The ports, speaker port, charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack, all line up and they look good. Plenty of room there. You got your assistant button right here. Okay, Google Assistant. And you got your bottom down rocker. That all work pretty well. Okay, mic hole up top. And there's a SIM card slot on the side there. All right, but this looks pretty good. I just don't like that right there. Hopefully that goes away, but you can see it right there, the watermark just coming down like a little snake. It's not good. I'll try to see if I can get rid of that, but that's what it is right now. That's a quick look at the Ringke case for the Ringke Fusion case for the LG V40. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.